What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to talk about my new RPMFAB Tie Rod. Alright, so as you can tell, I got rid of my stock tie rod and went with this new RPMFAB aluminum tie rod. Now, many of y'all, if you haven't or even have a friend that have probably bent their front tie rod. It's really easy to do. Just being off-road, you can bang it against a rock and then it's bent. You can bend it back, which I tried several times, but I could never get it back to exactly how it was before, and you could just tell it was kind of affecting my steering. So I went ahead and I upgraded. I called up Off-Road Elements and they hooked me up with a RPMFAB tie rod. Now this tie rod is aluminum, it's not steel, so it's got a couple, or at least one major thing that it does differently than a steel. This tie rod will bend against a rock and pop right back into basically its stock location. What that means is if you're out on the trails and you're banging your tie rod against a rock, it's not going to bend it in and leave that bend like a steel one would. It's going to flex back to how it was originally. So I went ahead and I decided that was going to be the best mod for me. That way I only have to do this once, and hopefully, and won't have to do it again. Now the install itself is very, very simple. All you have to do is take off the two nuts on each side and then hit it out with a hammer. It drops your stock tie rod, and then you put your new tie rod in. The big thing to mention before you do that, one, obviously you're going to have to take your tires off before you do it, just to give you some more room to work. And then two, you really want to measure your stock one before you do that. And that will help with your alignment, kind of get your alignment about as close as you can get by sight before you take it to an alignment shop. You definitely still want to take it to an alignment shop. If not, then your alignment's going to be off. You could chew up tires and wear down parts that you don't need to be wearing down. So make sure that once you do this mod, you go ahead and get yourself a professional alignment. Now I also decided that I was going to upgrade my steering stabilizer right here because my stock one was kind of shot as well. I have roughly 60,000 miles on it, and it just all the time off-road, I guess it just finally wore it down. So I went ahead and upgraded to a Fox Adventure Series, which I'll throw a link in the description, and I picked that up from Off-Road Elements as well. And I've had this on for not even a week yet. I guess it's been about a half a week, and driving around, it is already a tighter feel back to like stock than it was before. So I'm extremely happy with this setup, and I cannot wait to test it off. Off on the trails and down Uwharrie and up at Roush Creek. So hopefully I can get up there and test that soon. Alright guys, so obviously I haven't done a video in a little bit. We've had some kind of crazy weather, and even today it was raining, and now I'm sweating like crazy because it's super humid out today. There's still water everywhere. But I wanted to do a video real quick, and I want to talk to my subscribers. Trish is a big one. I know she's been waiting for this Jeep Girl video. But I'm sorry to disappoint Trish. What I'm going to end up doing is doing the Jeep Girl video at 1,000 subscribers. So when I hit that 1,000 mark, I'm going to do the Jeep Girl video, and I will do a part 2 as well when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So hopefully we can get to that number. I'm hoping by the end of summer, try to get to that 2,000. I'm going to keep doing videos, going to do a couple more product reviews. I'm going to do some more installs. And try to get to that 1,000 so we can get that Jeep Girl video made. So if you want to see that video get made, make sure to share this video, get your buddies to like and subscribe, and we'll get that video sent out. But for now, y'all have a great day.